I don't like this story. Nope. In today's episode of The Time Teller, we're actually double dipping because not only is this an installment of T3 Crime Stoppers, it's also an installment of episodes my mom is not allowed to watch. It is 1:54 p.m. Let's get down to business. Jumping into the story, a woman was arrested Sunday for stealing a $12,000 Rolex watch and hiding it inside her genitals, according to police. That is so hot. Sarah Richards, 33, of Baltimore, was in Las Vegas for a court hearing regarding theft charges from June, in which police said she stole a $100,000 watch. While in Vegas for her court hearing on those charges, she stole a $12,000 watch, police said. Now, this story is wild on many levels. First off, she's drugging people, allegedly, because the guy that got his $100,000 watch stolen, apparently it was a Patek Philippe. They didn't specify which kind, but he said he thinks he was drugged and he woke up and the watch was not on his wrist anymore. The fact that she's done this numerous times is crazy because, again, she's been caught twice, but she's probably done this. Oh my God, I should not have my fingers up like that. She's been... Nope, still not good. She's been caught twice. The fact that the most recent time she got caught, she was only in that area because of a court hearing for, like, similar charges. But far and away, the most crazy part of this story is her method for transporting said stolen goods. How... You know, we got demonetized because of the hentai episode, and I'm realizing now that this is just not going to be a very lucrative month for the Time Teller brand. You know, I've made numerous episodes talking about how to transport your watches, how to travel with your watches. We've spoken about various hard cases, watch pods, leather watch rolls, but never this. It was never supposed to be like this. The story goes on to say that police only found that $12,000 Rolex because they used a metal detecting wand on her body and it kept, quote, alarming around her region. Gato, you're going to have to bleep that out for sure. Now, there's a lot of jokes I could make about, you know, most Rolexes being water resistant, the necessity of their trip lock gasket system, the importance of oyster cases and threaded crowns. I mean, I've even made an episode talking about the most effective way to wash your dirty dive watch. But all you need to know is that according to the documents, the watch was placed into a biohazard bag and impounded. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this episode short because I don't want to get caught making a bunch of, like, inappropriate jokes. We're already in hot water with YouTube, so I don't want to, like, push their buttons any further. I mean, people got drugged, allegedly. People got their very expensive property stolen. And all I want to say is that she definitely puts the whore in horology. I mean, come on. That was just too perfect. All right. Bye-bye. Love you guys. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. Always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it. This is probably going to be my last episode on YouTube because YouTube is going to ban me.